Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Sniply link shortening easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with investing in Sniply link shortening, navigate to the Sniply website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, such as your email address and password. Once registered, verify your account through the email confirmation sent to you. Log in to your Sniply account using your credentials. Explore the user interface to familiarize yourself with the features available. Go to the link shortening page from the dashboard. Input the URL you wish to shorten in the designated field. Customize your shortened link by selecting a call to action. This feature allows you to promote your brand or a specific message. After customizing, click on the Create Snip button. Your shortened link will be generated in just a few seconds. Copy the newly created Sniply link for sharing. Consider how you want to promote your links through social media or other platforms. Track the performance of your links using the Analytics dashboard. Monitor metrics such as clicks, conversions, and user engagement. Adjust your strategies based on the data you gather. Explore the premium features if you want advanced analytics and branding options. Invest time in learning Sniply's best practices for link promotion. Stay updated with any new features or changes on the Sniply platform. Continue to refine your approach to maximize your investment success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.